Oh, it's this one up here. That row.
Where is dog? Can you help me find it?
You found it. Nice job.
But it says right there, where's God? Where's God is here?
How do you spell it?
G.
Yes. Good job.
No, two.
Good job.
Now. T-O-O. Now T-W.
That's pretty good, buddy.
Okay.
It was pretty good for your first time doing it.
I did it.
Nice job.
Why did you circle them?
That's how you do a word search. Do you like doing that? You did a good job making that.
Now can I have the phone?
Yes.
Thank you.